Green tea, a beverage that has been cherished for centuries, is not just a refreshing drink, it is also packed with numerous health benefits. Derived from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, green tea is known for its rich antioxidants and various bioactive compounds, making it a popular choice for those seeking a healthier lifestyle. Rich in antioxidants, one of the standout features of green tea is its high content of antioxidants, particularly catechins. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, which occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. By neutralizing free radicals, green tea may reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Boosts metabolism and aids weight loss. Green tea has gained popularity as a weight loss aid. Research suggests that the combination of caffeine and catechins found in green tea can enhance metabolic rate and promote fat oxidation. A study indicated that participants who consumed green tea extract lost more weight and maintained their weight loss better than those who did not. Therefore, incorporating green tea into a balanced diet may support weight management efforts. Improves brain function. The caffeine in green tea is not as high as in coffee, but it still provides a slight boost in energy and alertness. Additionally, green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that works synergistically with caffeine to improve brain function. This combination can enhance mood, attention, and cognitive performance, making green tea a great choice for those needing to focus or study. Supports heart health. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to improved heart health. Studies indicate that it can lower LDL cholesterol levels and triglycerides while increasing HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. This balance helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of green tea may also contribute to a healthier heart by improving blood vessel function. Enhances longevity. Some studies suggest that green tea drinkers may enjoy a longer lifespan. Research has shown that those who regularly consume green tea have a lower risk of dying from heart disease and other conditions. The protective effects of antioxidants and the potential for improved metabolic health contribute to this potential increase in longevity. Conclusion: incorporating green tea into your daily routine can provide a multitude of health benefits, from its rich antioxidant content to its ability to boost metabolism, enhance brain function, and support heart health. Green tea is a powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. Whether you enjoy it hot or iced, making green tea a part of your day can lead to significant health improvements and overall well-being. So, why not brew a cup today and savor the benefits?